This is just a basic video. In this video, I will demo what is included in the box and how to adjust headrest, straps, and tilt car seat. In other two videos, I showed how to remove the booster seat and how to remove cover and reinstall it back after washing. Link is in the description. Evenflo every kit car seat. This is 4-in-1 car seat. It says on the box 4 mode of use: rear facing with harness, forward facing with harness, high back, and when the kids grow up you can remove the high back as well, then it will become the booster seat. It has a manual right here, 2 cups, one go right here and the other one go on the other side. These are the clip, so put the clip in, push it in, other one go in the same way. For adjusting the headrest, there is a button. Press the button, pull it up and adjust the height. If you want to pull it down, press the button again and push it down. If you like to tilt the seat back, here is the recline handle. Pull it and seat will go back. For adjusting harness strap, button is right here. This is the push button. Either you can do from the top or you put the finger in. Keep pressing the button and pull out straps. This went in. If straps are too loose, then pull the rope out, it will adjust. If you want to open the belt, there are 2 locks on the straps. First one is this one, push it in and pull out. Second one is right here. This red button, press in and take it out. And if you want to put it back again, this side go like this and the other side will go like this, and then you can push this one back in again. If this video resolves your issue, do not forget to give the like and add your comments in the comment box. Take care.